we are going to discuss certain immunity boosting mantras. Please note that these recommendations are not for treatment of COVID-19, and there is no conformity of recovery from COVID-19. These recommendations are drinking warm water, use of certain spices in food habit, nasal application, oil pulling therapy and exercise including pranayam, yoga san etc. Content of this presentation is recommended for immunity boosting only. I am repeating, for immunity boosting only. Content of this presentation is not for COVID-19 treatment, and even not for conformity of recovery from COVID-19. Contents of this training have been developed for awareness purpose. Safety professional working with industries have put their time and effort for development of the content. Later, contents have been finalized through brainstorming session. These contents are not mandatory for any industry, but you must refer to local authority if it is mandatory. Only appropriate content applicable to your organization may be implemented after discussion within your organization. There are some topic on which team has different opinion, but these information are also shared with you. Hence, you are recommended to discuss internally before final call on implementation. All these information are obtained from websites without validation of correctness. To some extent, we tried to obtain information from official sites of government and WHO. You shall drink warm water throughout the day. It is highly recommended to drink warm water. You shall make a practice of daily yoga, pranayam, and meditation, at least for 30 minutes. It helps boosting up immunity, as well as positivity. You may do it twice in a day, either in the morning or at the evening. You shall use spices like turmeric, that is haldi, cumin, that is jeera, coriander, that is dhania, and garlic, that is lasan, in daily cooking. As such, these spices contains antimicrobial and antiseptic properties. It helps boosting up immunity because of such inbuilt properties. Ayurvedic immunity promoting measures recommend that you shall take Chyavanprash, at least 10 gram, that is 1 tablespoon, in the morning. Diabetic should take sugar-free Chyavanprash. It is made of natural products and helps boosting immunity. You shall drink herbal tea or decoction made up from holy basil, that is tulsi, cinnamon, that is dalchini, black pepper, that is kali mirch, ginger, that is shanth, and raisin, that is kismis, once or twice in a day. We can add jaggery, that is good, or fresh lemon juice to add taste, if needed. It provides relief in common cold as well as cough. You shall drink golden milk, which is made up of ½ teaspoon of turmeric, haldi powder, and 150 ml of hot milk. As you know, turmeric, haldi, contains antiseptic properties. You should consume 1 glass, twice in a day. One of the Ayurvedic procedure is nasal application. You need some amount of coconut oil, or sesame oil or ghee. And apply warm oil, in both nostrils, in the morning and in the evening. This process provides relief in soreness and clogged nostrils. Oil pulling is one of the simple Ayurvedic therapy. Take 1 tablespoon of sesame or coconut oil in mouth. Do not drink it, just swish in the mouth for 2 or 3 minutes and spit it off. Rinse your mouth with warm water. This can be done once or twice in a day. This therapy promotes oral hygiene. In case of dry cough or sore throat, steam inhalation with fresh mint leaves, that is pudina, or carom seeds, that is ajwain, can be practiced once in a day. It is also recommended that you must take clove powder, that is lavang, mixed with natural sugar or honey, and this mixture can be taken 2 or 3 times a day in case of cough or throat irritation. This measures generally treat normal dry cough and sore throat. However, it is best to consult doctors if these symptoms persist. You may visit our website for information on consultancy and training services. We also conduct online training as well. You may write suggestion or comment to us through email. We are called AKSHAR Management Consultant, based at Baroda.